You know, there's a lot of tricks out there in how to hang pictures. Joe has one for us today.
Well, in this case, Danny, we're going to use a wire hanger. Well, the first thing you need to do is mark the rough position on the wall on a strip of masking tape. And then what I did is I took a piece of wire hanger, snipped it to about 8 or 10 inches long, and bent the ends in opposite directions. Then you take the picture and hook the wire behind the picture itself. And then you hold it up to the wall, lining it up with your center line, and then just press in to leave an impression on the wall where you need to drive in the nail. Now the mistake a lot of homeowners make is they drive the nail straight in, but you're almost never going to hit a stud. It's just a drywall holding it. So the trick is to drive the nail at a really steep angle and have much greater holding power.
But now that might be okay for a real light picture, but if you're hanging a mirror, you need something else like a wall anchor.
You're right, Danny. And there are lots of different hollow wall anchors out there, and here's one that I recommend using for this case. It's simply a spiral anchor which has really deep threads. And the way you install it is first you make a hole. You could drill a hole, but it's just as easy to mark it with a screwdriver. Just punch it right through. And then you take the anchor and thread it right in. And because it has those really deep threads, it holds really strong. You'd be surprised how much power this has, holding power. And then you just put a screw in the anchor and hang the picture on the screw head. Now this one actually came with a special little picture hanging hook, which makes it even easier.